Are you living in a small town and feel stuck? I'm about to show you 5 side hustles that you can literally start this week with no degree, no fancy skills, and yeah, they actually make real money. So these aren't just some random internet ideas I pulled out of thin air. These are proven side hustles that real people in small towns are using right now, turn anywhere from a few $100s a week to even replacing their entire 9-to-5 job. And make sure you stick around to the end because number 5, it's seasonal, but it's one of the most profitable ways to stack cash fast if you time it right. Let's dive in. Okay, first up is pressure washing. And listen, this one is an absolute money machine in small towns because the results literally speak for themselves. I'm talking driveways, patios, decks, sidings, all that stuff that gets nasty over time. But when you hit it with a pressure washer, it's like magic. The transformation's instant and the people can't help but be impressed. And here's the best part. You don't even need to drop a ton of money up front. You can rent a pressure washer or buy a decent one for somewhere between $300 to $500. And that's basically your main tool right there to get started. And the money you can make, a basic driveway or patio job can run anywhere from like $150 to $400 per job. So if you knock out 2 jobs on a Saturday, you're looking at $600 to $800 in a single day. That's legitimate money. Here's a pro tip. When you're just getting started, here's exactly what I would do. I would offer to clean a small section of someone's driveway or patio for free, like one small strip. Once they see the contrast between the clean part and the dirty part, it's almost impossible for them to say no and pay you to do the rest of the job. So let's talk marketing for this side hustle. The easiest way to land your first few clients is posting before and after photos in your local Facebook groups or marketplace. People absolutely love the transformation pictures. They truly eat it up. You can also go the old school way and print off some flyers to put in mailboxes or hang them on doors. Or if you're brave enough, you can knock on some doors and just say, hey, I'm starting a pressure washing business. Can I give you a quick demo? And once you get a few jobs under your belt, the word of mouth can spread like crazy in a small town. All right, next up in this small town classic, lawn care, fall cleanup, and gutter cleaning. They all kind of go in the same basket. Here's the thing about this one. Every season brings in new work. You've got grass to mow in the summer, leaves to rake in the fall, and gutters clog up every single time it rains. And when winter hits, snow removal. There's always something to be done. Your startup costs are super low because chances are you already own a lot of the stuff. A lawnmower, a rake, maybe a ladder, some gloves. And if you don't, you can definitely grab the basics for just a few $100s. The money adds up quick too. You're looking at $25 to $100 per lawn, $100 to $250 for cleaning out gutters, and snow removal can run anywhere from $50 to $100 per driveway. Even if you just have a handful of clients, this can turn into a really solid income stream. A pro tip for this one is bundle your services together. This is one of the best business hacks ever. Create something like a fall package that includes leaf cleanup and gutter cleaning, or a winter package that includes snow removal and salt spreading. People love to get packages or bundles because it feels like they're getting a good deal, and you'll start making way more money per job. As far as marketing, very similar to the first one. You can go old school, print off some flyers, hundreds of them, drop them in people's mailboxes around town. You can also post in the Facebook groups again. You can post something like, hey, taking on 5 fall cleanup and gutter cleaning clients. You'll be shocked on how fast those spots fill up. I see this all the time in our own Facebook groups. Someone will post a service and just say, hey, I got 6 spots available just to make some urgency, and they'll fill up with 100 comments. Oh yeah, and don't forget, real estate agents and landlords have the connections. They are gold mines for this kind of work. They're constantly needing properties to look good for their showings or their rentals, so definitely make sure you're networking. Number 3 on the list is going to be car detailing. This one is fantastic because pretty much everyone in a small town owns a car, right? And most people absolutely hate cleaning them, but they love, and I mean love, the feeling of getting a brand new, freshly detailed vehicle back. Your startup costs are extremely low. We're talking soap, microfiber towels, shop vac, and a bucket. Again, you can get all the supplies you need for just $100 to $200 to get started. And the earnings are great. A basic detail will run around $100 to $200, and then a premium detail can go anywhere from $250 to $500 or more. If you just do 3 cars on a Saturday, you're walking away with $400 to $500. Here's a pro tip. Create a tiered package system, like a basic package, a deluxe package, and a full detail package. Price them anywhere between $75, $150 to $250 plus. The package you want to optimize is the one in the middle because most people are going to go for that one because it feels like it has the most value. That way you're automatically bumping up your average sale without doing a ton of extra work. So for marketing, you can start with just family and friends, offer them a big discount for your first few jobs to get your feet wet, and then just take some solid pictures with your phone with the before and after results. Then you can take those photos and post them to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Social media is your friend with this side hustle. Keep it simple. Weekend side hustle, $150 for a full detail. You can also list your services on Facebook Marketplace. And if you really want to stand out, offer pickup and drop off services. People will pay extra for that convenience. And then again, you can package in upsells or bundle it together for new air fresheners or even a reoccurring monthly service. Hey, if you're getting value from this video, can you hit the like button and share it with a friend? It helps us out tremendously. Let's keep going. Number 4 is junk removal. This one's awesome because people will literally pay you to take take away the stuff they don't want anymore. Old couches, broken appliances, yard debris, basically anything they can't just toss out in their trash bin. If you already have a truck or a trailer that you can borrow, you're basically already in business. That's your main startup cost right there. A single load can bring in anywhere from $100 to $300. But here's the kicker. Sometimes you can actually flip the stuff that you haul away. Appliances, scrap metal, electronics, even furniture that's still in decent shape. So you can get paid to take it away, but then you can also get paid again if you find something that you can scrap or resell. That's double profit. A pro tip for this one would be partner with a local storage unit or landlords again. Whenever someone abandons their stuff or moves out and leaves junk behind, guess who they're going to call to clear it out? And that can lead to steady, repeat business. For marketing this, Craigslist and obviously Facebook once again is the easiest place to start. Just post a simple ad like local junk removal service, we haul anything. You can also slap some magnet stickers on your truck or your trailer and boom, every time you drive around the town, you are marketing and advertising your business. And finally, side hustle number 5, the seasonal side hustle. These can honestly be some of the most profitable because people want a specific thing done during a specific time and they're definitely willing to pay for it. Think hanging Christmas lights in December, shoveling driveways in January, or even putting out fall decorations in October. Your startup costs are super low. You just need a ladder, some basic tools, and a lot of the times, you're just using the customer's own lights or decorations. The money can be huge. You're looking at $100 to $300 per house just for hanging Christmas lights. I personally know a couple business owners that just do this business and make 6 figures a year. And if you're willing to hustle during these peak times, you can bring in thousands of dollars in just a couple of weeks. A pro tip here again is do a full service package, bundle it together, where you hang up the lights, you take them down, and you store them for next year. That pretty much guarantees repeat customers who are gonna call every single year on autopilot. For marketing this side hustle, timing is absolutely everything. Start advertising about 30 days before the season hits. Post in your community group something like now booking for holiday light installs, limited spots available. You can also throw up some yard signs in busy intersections around town. And if you want steady work, try to partner with a local garden center or hardware stores. When someone buys new lights, they'll refer them straight to you for the install. So there you have it, 5 small town side hustles you can literally start this week. Pressure washing, lawn care and fall cleanup, car detailing, junk removal, and seasonal side hustles. And none of these require a special degree or special skills or living in a big city. They just require you to actually start. And once you land your first client, it snowballs and turns into 5 more, and into 10, 20, 30, and before you know it, you have a legitimate side business bringing in real money. Now let me quickly ask you something. What if one of these simple side hustles could actually turn into your $1 million business idea? Because that's exactly what happened for us. And it started with just one small idea. If you're curious on how to take your side hustle and turn it into something that could legitimately change your life, you want to watch my next video on how to find your $1 million business idea. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Peace and God bless.